Okay, let us try to solve problems here. So look here, we have to multiply 14 by 12. Okay, let us solve it with some quick and fun calculations. Firstly, we have to select the base number. It should be a multiple of 10 that comes just before the numbers getting multiplied. So we have written the base as 10 here. Now, firstly, see 14 as it is 4 more than the base of 10. So we write plus 4 over 14. Similarly, what will come over the number 12? Okay, so since 12 is 2 more than 10, so we write plus 2 over 12. Okay, so this was the first step. Now observe the arrows here. Okay, so what can these arrows possibly mean? Cross multiply, right? So these arrows mean cross addition. So what will you get on cross addition? The step 2 is to cross add 4 to 12. So 4 to 12 or 2 to 4, 14, both will give the same result. So here we got as 16. And then place a 0 after 16. So we get as 160. In the last step, that is to multiply the top two numbers and add them to the result of step 2. So what will you get? 8. Okay. So add 8 to 160, that is 168. So 168 is our final answer. So isn't that an exciting way to multiply? Okay, so let us look at one more problem. So let us take 19 multiplied by 14. So let us see how well you understood the trick. Okay. So first step is choose the suitable base and accordingly write the top two numbers. Okay. 19. So this is plus 9 and 14. This is plus 4 and then cross add. Okay, so 19 plus 4 as well as 14 plus 9 gives the same result. So that is 23. Now, after the sum as obtained, and lastly, the product of two numbers, that is 36, 9 multiplied 4, that is 36. So 230 plus 36 gives out to be 266. Okay. Let us take one more example. I have 18 multiplied 13. Okay. Again, choose the suitable base and according we'll write the two numbers. Okay, so 18, 13, this is plus 8 and plus 3, then cross add it, so you get 21, and place a 0 after the sum as obtained, and the product of two top numbers would be 24, that is 210 plus 24 gives 234. Okay, now look at this 27 multiplied by 29. Let us solve it with the quick and fun calculations we have learned. Okay, now the steps would be choose the suitable base and according write the top two numbers and cross add and place 0. Okay, so let us do that first. The 7. Now 20, as it is multiple of 10, that comes just before these numbers. So let us now solve it by taking the base as 20. Okay. Now go ahead and select the top two numbers. So this is plus 2, plus 7, and for this it is plus 9. So since 27 is 7 more than the base of 20, and so we'll put right as plus 7 over 27, and 27 is 29 is 9 more than 20, and so we will write as plus 9 over 29. Okay. So what will you do next? Cross addition. Okay. So on doing this, we get as 36. So we get as 36 as a result. Notice that here, since the base is 20 here, so we'll double the sum of 36, that is 72. The rest of the steps will be the same, that is place a 0 after 72. Okay. And what will you do for the last step? That is, the last step is to multiply the two numbers and add them to 720. So 720 plus 63, this is 780. So are you ready for the next problem now? So let's go there. Okay, so we have 28 multiplied 24. Okay, again let us choose the suitable base and accordingly write the top two numbers. 28, 4 plus 8 and plus 4, and now cross add. Okay, so you get and place a 0 after doubling the sum, and obtained that as 64 and 0. So base is 20 here, and multiply two numbers and add its product to the result obtained the previous step. So 640 plus 32, which is 672. Okay. Now let us look at another problem here. Let us solve this question. It is 33 multiply 37. So what will be the suitable base here? Base is 30 here. Okay. The base being 30, and it is multiple of 10 that comes just before the given numbers. So let us solve it by taking the base as 30. Okay. Now 33. So since 33 is 3 more than the base, so we will write plus 3 for 30, and we'll write 7 more. So we write plus 7. Okay. So on doing this, we get the two cross additions will get as 40 as a result. So we'll place 0. Okay. And now, since the base is 30 here, first we will triple the sum, which is 40, that is 120. And then only we can place 0 after 120. So it becomes 1200. Okay. And the last step is to multiply the two top numbers and add them. Okay. So 1200 plus 21. So this goes by 1220. Okay. So this was easy calculation. So I guess you have become experts in this. Okay. Let us take one more example. We have to multiply 17 multiply 26. Now, which base will you select to solve this? Is it 10 or 20? So, using the option base as A is not wrong, but it may lead to complex calculation. Note that 17 is 7 more than the base of 10, but 26 is 16 more than the base of 10. So for the last step, finding the product of two numbers 7 and 16 will be quite complex, right? So instead of selecting as the base 10, let us consider the base here as 20. Okay, so let us check it out. Okay. Here the two numbers uh, will be minus 3 and plus 6. So minus 3 and plus 6. Okay, since 17 is 3 less than 20, so we write minus 3, and here it is plus 6. Okay. Now The rest of the steps are same as before. So when you 17 plus 6 gives out to be 23, as well as 26 minus 3, which is 23. And then since the base is 20, so you have to multiply 12, 2 with respect to this. So 23 multiply 2, which gives us 46. Okay. And you substitute, you add 0. So this becomes 460. Now, this will be 460 minus the multiplication. Okay, so 3 into 6 gives as 18. So this will be 442. Okay, so let us look at another set of problems. Now here we have 23 multiplied 19. Okay, let us see how well you have understood this method of solving by positive and negative top numbers. Okay, fine. So the base is 20 here. Yes. So this is 23 and this is 19. So this is plus 3 and this is minus 1. Okay. So 19 plus 3 gives 22 and 23 minus 1 gives 22. So since the base is 20, so you get this as 44 and add 0. Okay, so 440 minus 3, which gives us 437. Fine. So let us look at another problem. 18 multiplied 24. Now choose the suitable base. So we have to multiply this, okay? So that will be 20, base is 20 here. So this will be minus 2 and this will be plus 4. Okay. So 18 plus 4 gives out to be 22 and 24 minus 2 gives out to be 22. So since the base is 20, so multiply twice. So this will be 44 and add 0. Okay. And 440, this will be minus 80. So this is 432. Now let us look at another problem, 19 multiplied 18. So let us solve it with the quick and fun calculation we have learned. Now that we know top two numbers can be negative 2, so let's take the base as 20 here, okay, to solve this. Note that it can be solved with the base 10 also, okay. So let us take 20 So, so this will be minus 1. Okay. And this will be minus 2. Fine. So 19 minus 2 and 18 minus 1. Okay, which is 17. Since the base is 2, 17 multiplied 2 is 34. Add 0. Okay, so product of top two numbers, that is minus 8. Okay, so this would be plus 2. So 340 plus 2 gives 342. Okay, so let us look at another problem. So this is 14 and 12. Okay, so we have done this earlier. So how did we solve it? This is 14 plus 4 and 12 plus 2, right? So base is 10. So this is 16 and then add 0 and product of two numbers, which is 8. So 160 plus 8 gives what will be 160. So this is the final. Okay, please do subscribe and thank you for watching.